Welcome to MarineMax. My name is Keith Abel, and I am the Sailfish Specialist in New England. Today I'm here to take you through the 241 Center Console Sailfish 2018. This boat has the Province Blue hull color. As we walk towards the transom, Sailfish is built down in Georgia. They've been building boats for 30 plus years. This boat is powered by the single 250 Yamaha 4-stroke engine with a stainless steel prop. As we enter the transom door up this beautiful 4-step swim ladder, we are welcomed by a center console with plenty of room on the dash for electronics, which we have Garmin GPS chart plotter fish finder, Fusion stereo, VHF radio, trim tab indicator, and as we pan towards the back of the transom on our port side, we do have a live well. There are optional jump seats on port and starboard side, which are removable. A flip up, flip down seat, ski pylon, which is retractable and does pop up, and also a freshwater washdown for showering. As we move to the port side of the boat, we are welcomed with this stand-up head that has a vacuum flush head and additional storage. As you can see on the bow of the boat, we have some beautiful bow cushions. Underneath each cushion on port and starboard is storage, and we also have the optional backrests. As we move a little bit more forward, pop-up cleats, pop-up nav lights, anchor well, and plenty of cup holders. As we pan towards the back, we have some additional seating, sputter lights, courtesy lights. For more information on this beautiful 241 Sailfish Center Console 2018, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.